Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list, right? So it's very easy. First of all, of course, you have to just go into the Instagram and make sure your Instagram is updated, right? Then in the bottom right side corner, this is your profile icon. Just click over there and you have to make sure that your account is a personal account, right? Not a business account. Right now you can see this, my account is a business account. So I will show you how to get back to your personal account. On the top right side corner you will see this menu bar, right? The three lines. Just click over there and after that you have to just go to the setting and privacy, and once you are here, let me show you how to do it. Okay, just scroll a little bit down and here you will find a account privacy, right? Just click over here and just make your account private. Here it says that business account cannot be private. That's why we have to first convert this account into a personal account, right? So guys, once you are here, for professional, you will find the option that is creator, tool and control. Just click over there. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find this option which is called switch account type, right? Just click here and just click to switch to personal account, right? And again, just click to switch to personal account and it will take a few seconds here, let it load. And after that, your account will be get back to, a personal account, right? Now here, just scroll a little bit down and then you will find this option that is account privacy. Just click over there and click your account to a private account. Right now switch to private. Once your account is private, nobody will able to see your followers as well as your followings, right? So in this way you will able to hide your post, your followers and followings. Once they click over there to see that who actually, it will show the number. For example, it will show that 10 people are following you, or maybe you're following 20 peoples, right? But once they click over there, they will not able to see that to whom you are following, right? So this is pretty easy. I hope you found this video really interesting and make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel and see you guys in the next video.